What up my loves, Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and today I'm going to tell you how I've been liking my Jeffree Star Skin Frost Platinum Ice palette that I got during December. I got that as one of my gifts and I've been trying it, so this is not a first impressions video. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think of this product, okay? And at the end I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial using it. Alright, let's jump right in. So first and foremost, this palette retails for $40 on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and a regular size one, which is, it's a pretty big size. I haven't used them before, but I've seen them and they are quite large. Those ones are $29. So it seems like it's a good value to go with the palette. Now, as far as packaging goes, to be completely honest, I really like the packaging of the Unicarton. That says Platinum Ice to me. There's this really pretty like silver and it's like textured. This part is just like cardboard feeling, and it does have like different layers to it, but it's completely flat. It's kind of meh, you know, so I was a little bit sad about that. It's cool, but I just prefer this. It's very sleek. I feel like this matches all of Jeffree Star's products way better, but hey, you know what? That's his choice, whatever, that's fine. I would have preferred to see the roles reversed and this be the outer packaging, and then you pop it out and it's like this glittery golden god here. Then it comes with the mirror inside. The mirror is really nice. I've been using that. Now, the only thing that was a bit odd with mine is one of the pans seemed like it's about halfway out, not halfway out. The lip of the pan is coming out a little bit. So I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I'm gonna be careful, make sure it doesn't pop out and keep an eye on it. But other than that, everything seemed really nice. So this was my first time using one of his highlighting products, and I was a little bit shocked, but I shouldn't be, it's okay. I was a little shocked considering all the other palettes, highlighting palettes like Anastasia and stuff, all the formulas are pretty much the same in one palette. In his, it's very unique in the fact that I feel like there's at least 3 different formulas in here, which isn't a bad thing. It just was a surprising thing. Not only are there different colors and more like shimmer shifts to it, I should say, there is a different formula, which he does go over. That Pink Chill is a different formula, so I was expecting that one to be different, but some of them have more of a almost, I don't want to say chunky because chunky sounds bad, but it's more of like a little grit to it, more glitter, and doesn't have as extreme color payoff. And then a couple of them do. They do have that consistent, smooth, kind of silky texture to it. So something to note in that. If you're afraid of that green alien ice, don't be. It is gorgeous. It just has a shift to it. So it doesn't look like you just have green on your face. It's more of a shimmery green shift when you tilt your head, so it's not like what do you got going on there. Same thing with the yellow. You don't look like you have jaundice or anything. It's a really pretty shimmer canary kind of yellow shift to it. And Lavender Snow is what I'm wearing right now. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not like intense purple. It looks like it would be way too dark for my skin, but it isn't. And that is why I picked this one, by the way. I absolutely love the 24 karat palette. It is gorgeous, but as you can see, I'm quite fair. So for my personal use, I want to be able to get as much wear out of it as I am on daily use for this one. Now I might get the 24 karat palette for my professional kit. It is beautiful, and you can even use it as eyeshadows. That is why I picked up the Platinum Ice, and hello Platinum. The Ice Cold is more of your white classic shimmer, and then Glacier is more of a silvery than a blue. It's really pretty. Pink Chill I kind of use as a topper. So say Lavender Snow for instance, I'll pop that on, and then I'll take Pink Chill and I will just pop it right over it for an intense like then pink glitter shift. And it's really cool, like intensifier. Show you some arm swatches with these, and you can see how the color payoff is and how the formulas vary per pan. And I also noticed it depends what type of brush I use, gives me the different types of payoff. So I was first using this and the product wasn't getting picked up very well with this fluffy brush, so I ditched that and I went back to my fan brush, and for this palette, this little fan brush is picking up product a lot better than my Wet n Wild highlighting brush, because sometimes it's not always the product but the tool. And I'll show you a really quick tutorial of me using the Alien Ice and the Canary Bling together, because I felt like those were the least likely to be used, so I wanted people to see that it is doable. Forgive my lighting, it wasn't the best. This was right when I first picked up the palette, so the same week that I got it is when I filmed that one. Now that it's been a month, I wanted to go over with you how I felt about the palette and give my real honest overall thoughts and reviews. And my overall thoughts is, I love it and I'm using it all the time. All right, here we have Ice Cold So really pretty. Here is Glacier, that kind of silvery. See how it looks like it's blue in the pan, but on the arm, here's an extra light. Just like a cool tone silver. Really pretty. Here is my favorite one for daily wear, and that is Lavender Snow. So you can tell when they're side by side that they are a little different. Really cool. Here is Alien Ice. So you see how it just has a really cool shift to it. It's not like crazy. There's an extra layer. See how this one, it's not super intense. I just had to do a double swatch of that because it's not super intense. It looks like it would come across super green, but it doesn't. It's a very, very cool shift. Here is Pink Chill. As you can see, not as intense, not as opaque. It just has those little pinky particles in there, kind of duochrome almost. And here is the Canary Bling, which will be my summer highlighter because it's a nice little yellow tone, really pretty. So now you can see all of them side by side. They're all pretty fair, really light with just very subtle shifts between the different ones. Something that more like the sunlight and lighting will pick up, but nothing that you will see head on, which is what you really want from a highlighter anyways, right? Right. Okay, now for a quick little tutorial. You guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please go down and hit my little subscribe button if you want to see more. I did just get the Sigma highlighting palette, so if you want to see a video on that, you'll want to get notified as soon as I post it, so make sure to click that subscribe button. You guys have a great, lovely day.